Welcome to Ethereum, where we keep it real. This is going to be your July 16th update for Ethereum cryptocurrency, and today was an action-packed day, let me tell you, so let's jump right into it without wasting any time. First story of the day, Ethereum rips past 3.4K, leading the crypto rebound. Ethereum has jumped about 10% to 3,400 today, outperforming Bitcoin after buyers stepped in on the recent dip. Tailwinds cited from strong spot ETF inflows and treasury accumulation. Now, the sort of impact this has is all momentum and shrinking float. This sustained ETF treasury bids, tightening supply, making any upside break more explosive and fueling this renewed short squeeze chatter that we have around ETH if we do in fact hold above 3.3K. And it looks like that's going to be achievable much sooner than we thought, and we'll revisit that towards the end of the video when we do our short technical analysis. But jumping into the next story for today, we have Stablecoin Genius Act gains votes and Ethereum pops. Capitol Hill supports and coalesced around the US Genius Stablecoin Bill during the crypto week, sending crypto broadly higher. Ethereum traded about 8% higher as traders priced in regulatory progress. Now, overall, it was actually up more than that, around 10, almost even 11%. But the idea of this impact is policy catalyst. A federal stablecoin framework would validate the largest on-chain USD tokens. Many are living on Ethereum, and potentially boosting the network usage, increasing fee revenue, and institutional comfort with ETH exposure. And that's exactly what we need to kind of get through this next hurdle phase for Ethereum, getting much deeper pockets involved. This is amazing stuff. And jumping into the last story for today, which is actually one that I personally didn't expect to see, but Peter Thiel takes a 9.1% stake in Ethereum treasury firm BitMine. SEC filings showed that Thiel-linked funds bought 9.1% of BitMine Immersion, a public company holding more than 163,000 ETH, about 500 million worth. That's $500 million with a B, as a part of an Ethereum treasury strategy. And the impact this has is corporate accumulation signal. We see high-profile banking may support more public firms to add ETH to their balance, and steadily removing tradable supply and increasing price sensitivity to fresh demand. The less there is on these exchanges because of these large pockets, whales, and banks eating up the supply, the more sensitive the price is going to be. I mean, that's pretty easy to understand and really exciting to move forward. And if you want to take anything from these stories today, is that ETF demand and Washington policy momentum and Wall Street whale stockpiling ETH, that this is causing thinner supply, a potential bigger squeeze potential if the price keeps climbing. And right now we really don't have a reason not to believe that the price is going to continue climbing. Let's go ahead and jump into the last part of our video for today, which is a quick technical analysis. Yesterday's video left off when Ethereum was right about ready to see if we're going to hold up above the 61% Fibonacci retracement level above 3069, and as you can see today, it's just been straight upwards. I mean, there's a reason ETH was the lead in the crypto space as far as price action today, and you could see we topped out right around that 34.26. At the time of recording this video, it's really just cooling off slightly because of the time of day it is. I really don't think it's anything else. Now, if you want to talk about where this price action might go, as long as we continue to get positive news out of Capitol Hill, which is the fact that more votes are going to come towards these bills and potentially confirm that they're going to pass, even though multiple sources have said they will, including the president's very confident that they will. If we get some sort of confirmation like that, it's definitely going to bolster this breakout, and we should really be looking at testing this 35.27 level a lot sooner than we thought. And actually, yesterday's video, I did call that if we go above 3,100 in today's price action and hold that line strongly, then there's going to be a good chance that we go straight up to the 35, and that's exactly what happened. We showed 3,400. There's a good chance again tomorrow we shoot right past this 3,500 level, as long as we don't get any sort of direct negative news or anything that's going to be a bearish signal. So that being said, make sure you tune into my channel to deliver you these quick, to the point, most important news of the day for Ethereum. Make sure you subscribe so you get notified, and I'll make sure to keep you posted throughout this week as far as where this legislation goes and what sort of price action there is. If anything crazy happens, you best believe I'm going to jump on a live stream like I did past Sunday and have a more in-depth discussion with you all. But again, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate your time. Ethereum, keep it real.